الله الرحمن الرحيم.
What to make a task easy and finish it with a good ending. Rabbi yassir wala tuassir wa tammim bil khair.
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shazia Zahir. I am the English teacher in the Educator Farooq Class Campus. Today we are starting our new session 2021 to 22. This is my first lecture of class 5 English. Let's start our class. Raise your hand. Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Amin. Well, student, before we start our class, let me tell you, today we are going to start our class 5 first lecture. Today is 6th May. We are going to read this reading circle book of class 5, and this book should be second edition. Alright, student? Well, close it. Close the book first. Let's have some kind of information and some kind of conversation first. Do you know which month is going on?
Yes, ma'am. May.
May. Wow. So it's May. What kind of weather it is?
It's too much hot.
Good. In May we have the hot weather, and one thing more I would like to share with you, that May is my date of birth. In the May my date of birth come.
Oh, ma'am, that's very interesting.
Thank you so much. And do you know which is your birth month?
Yes, ma'am. June.
June. Wow.
Yeah.
Congratulations. June is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So do you remember the birth month of Quaid-e-Azam?
Yes, ma'am. In the month of December.
December, which number it comes? In which number it comes? December is the first month, second month, or the third month?
I think 12.
12.
The
Very
last
good.
month.
The last month of the
Calendar.
calendar. Very good. Do you remember the resolution day? In which month the resolution day come?
In the month of March.
March. Good. Which month is it? In sequence wise, number 1, 2, 3?
3.
3. Very good. And do you remember the Allama Iqbal's month of birth?
November.
November. Very good. Very good. You have a lot of information. In which month we got independence?
Independence. August.
August. And we
August.
celebrate 14th of August. We got independence at that month. August is a lucky month for us. And in which month we have the colors, the kite we fly? In which month the Basant season come?
I think February, ma'am.
February. Very good. Well done. So did you guess what we discussed today? Yes, we discussed the months, Jan to December. Well, my dear students, regarding months, I have planned a lesson from your reading circle book, lesson number 2, the months. Open chapter number 2, the months, page number 20. Page number 20. It's a second lesson of our reading circle book, chapter number 2, the months. Let's read it. January brings the snow. Which month brings the snow? January. Okay, you can underline the months sequence wise. Makes our feet and fingers glow. When it's snow, our feet and fingers glow with cold. February, the second month of calendar is February. February brings the rain. Do you like the rain? I love it too much. Yes, I hope that you like it. Thaws the frozen lake again. February, frozen the lake again. The third month is March. March bring breeze, loud and shrill. March, in the March season, after the rain, it becomes more colder. It stirs the dancing daffodils. Means these are the flowers, these are daffodils. They become glow. They glow and they shine. The fourth month is April. April brings the prime rose sweet. It brings the prime roses sweet. Scatters daisies at our feet. Daisies are the name of flower. Prime rose is a name of flower too. It comes in the month of April. The next month after, which month come after April? It's May. May brings, let's see what it brings. Flocks of pretty lambs. Flocks of pretty lambs skipping by their fleecy dams. Yes, which animal is being described in the month of May? It's the month of May. Brings flocks of pretty lamb. Lamb is a name of animal. भेड़ जिसे हम कहते हैं. Skipping by their fleecy dam. Dam is the babies of lamb. Alright. June. After May it comes the June. June brings tulip. Tulip is a name of flower. Lilies is a name of flower. Roses are the king flower. Fills the children's hand with posies. Posies are the name of flower. Means in the season, in the month of June, the flower becomes more glow and they become the fistful with the children hand. Hot July. What is being described with the month of July? The word hot is adjective which is describing the month July. Hot July brings cooling showers. Cooling shower, when it is hot weather, we have shower again and again. Apricot and gilly flowers. What comes in that season? The apricot is a dry fruit which come in the month of July. August. August is the month of, I asked the question in my literature, independence. Yes, in the month of August we got our independence on the date of 14th. Brings the sheaves of corn. Corn, the eatable things. Then the harvest home is born. Means the people who harvest the corn brings it at our home. Warm September. Which month is which word is describing the month September? August and then September. Which is the adjective which is describing the month of September? Warm. Warm is a little hot weather. Hot season, hot month. Brings the fruit. Sportsman then begin to shoot. The next month is fresh October. A positive adjective, fresh October. Brings the peasant. Peasant, this bird, small bird, peasant. Then to gather nuts is pleasant. This bird gather the nuts like apricot, like peanut. They gathers the walnut in this season. Dull November. The November is dull according to the poet Sarah. According to the poet Sarah, the November is dull. Brings the blast. Brings the blast. Then the leaves are railing fast. Means leaves are started falling in the month of November. It's a fall season. It's a month of November. We got the season of autumn. Chill December. Wow, I love this word a lot. And in the month of May, June and July, this word gives us a little cooling shower. Chill December. Yes. And which question I asked in according related to the month of December? Which question I asked?
I think you asked the date of birth or Quaid-e-Azam.
Quaid-e-Azam date of birth. Quaid-e-Azam was born in the month of December. Very good. Chill December brings the sleet. Blazing fire. Blazing fire means the fire's color is red and sharp and shiny. Blazing fire. And Christmas tree. Christmas is a festival of
I think Christmas you are
Christmas.
attending?
Yes, Christmas day. It comes in the month of December. 25 December. Well, student, let's have some difficult words and explanation on the board. The first word we learned from the poem The Months. Shrill. What is? Repeat after me.
Shrill.
Shrill. Shrill means, the explanation of shrill is high pitch. Alright. The second word, here we have dam.
Dam.
Dam. A female parent of animal. Dam is a female parent of animal like lamb, which we learned in the month of May.
May.
Alright. Posies. The third word is
Posies.
Posies is a very beautiful word, have sound. Bunch of flower. A number of flower in one bag. Bunch of flower. The fourth word is born. What is it?
Born.
Born. Born means carried. The farmer born the corn. Do you remember that word we come? The farmer brought the corn. Born the corn means the farmer carried the corn at home. These are the words and explanation which you have to do in your copy. Well, it's the time of copy working. This is your copy of the educator. First you have to make the term pointer of first term. Then you have to make the title page of unit number 2, the months. Then here you have to make the column like this, header, and the second margin from the top. Here you will write down classwork. Here you will write down date. And in this box you will write down explanation of title page. Explanation of title page. What is the title page explanation? Look at this, which we learned in the reading circle. This is describing a weather and a month. Which month is being described in this picture? Which month? Rainy season, or the month is being described in this picture. Look at this picture, the flowers, and a person is plucking the flower. In this picture, children are having the number of flowers, the poses of flower, the bunch of flower. So which month is being described? This picture is describing something, the bird and the falling season. So you have to describe the explanation. You have to explain the picture of page number 20 and 21 in this page. Alright. Then on the next page, you will do what? Words and explanation, which I made you do in the board, on the board. You have to do this in the copy. Here you will write down words, and here you will write down explanation, and here you will write down the different word which I made on the board and the explanation of this. Here you will write down the heading of comprehension. Which heading? Comprehension, and question number 1. This is your copy working. Let's go for the comprehension. Exercise A, question number 1. Which months are cold? Which months are cold? Let's see. January brings the snow. Snow comes in the cold season. So January is a month of cold. February is also the cold month. And March is also the cold month. These three, January, February and March. Which months are cold? January, February and March are cold months. How does the weather in the month of March feel like? March. Let's see. March brings breeze. March brings breezes, loud and shrill. This is being described about the month of March. This is the answer of question number 2. Like this, you have to attempt question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Alright. Further explanation we will do in our Zoom class. Well, student, it's your homework. First, I have explained you that you have to make the term pointer. Then title page of the chapter number 2, the months. Then exercise A, question number 1 till 6 you have to do in your copy, and copy working is explained in my video class. The further details I will give you in my Zoom class. Allah Hafiz till then.